Assalamu alaikum students, this is my second video regarding the concept of mole and Avogadro's number. In the previous video, I talked about mole and its relationship with Avogadro's number. Now, there is a formula in chemistry that is used to calculate number of mole of a substance. This substance can be anything. This substance can be an element, a compound, or a formula unit, or an ionic compound. The formula used is number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. In previous video, I also talked about molar mass as mass of 1 mole of a substance. What this formula means actually is if you have mass in gram of any substance and you know its molar mass and you divide these two, you will get a quantity known as mole. Okay. Now, I'm going to elaborate on the concept of molar mass here. Molar mass can be atomic mass if you are talking about any atom, or if you're talking about any element. Molar mass will be replaced by molecular mass if your question calls for a molecule or a compound, and molar mass will be replaced by formula mass if you're talking about a formula unit. Basically molar mass की जगह atomic mass आ जाएगा. अगर आप किसी एलिमेंट की बात कर रहे होंगे, मोलर मास की जगह मॉलिक्यूलर मास लगेगा. अगर आपका सब्सटेंस इन क्वेश्चन मॉलिक्यूल होगा और मोलर मास की जगह फार्मूला मास लगेगा अगर आपका सब्सटेंस इस क्वेश्चन कोई आयनिक कंपाउंड होगा. एग्जाम्पल of this kind of calculation is here. Suppose we have 100 gram of water, meaning mass in gram of water is 100 gram. We need its molar mass to calculate its number of moles. How to calculate molar mass? Look at the substance again. We are talking about water, H2O. Water is a molecular substance. Its formula is H2O. We are going to calculate its molecular mass, which comes to be equal to 18 gram per mole, as I discussed in a previous video. And since water is a molecular substance, so its molecular mass will be molar mass. Okay, so 18 gram per mole will be the molar mass we require in this calculation. Now we have a mass in gram, we have molar mass. To calculate number of moles of 100 grams of water, what we will do? 100 divided by 18. Calculated answer आता है 5.55 moles. So this is how you convert mass of a substance into moles of a substance. This formula can also be used vice versa, meaning if you have moles of a substance and you want to calculate its mass, you can simply multiply it with molar mass by cross multiplying. This formula can be used in two ways: to convert moles into mass, okay, or to convert mass into moles.